Hello, this video shows how to install Anaconda. So first, let's open a browser and install Anaconda individual edition. And if you scroll down that web page, at the bottom of the web page, you get to see have many. We're having Windows, so it's the 64 graphical is usually for most, but that works. So just start downloading. Okay, and once it's done, you can left click, put your mouse here and left click, show in folder. It'll show where the installer program is. Double click on this program, will start the installer. Next, agree. Just me, and you might want to put it under your username directory and start installing. It's a large program, so some of it may take some time. Let me pause it, and when it's done, we come back. Okay, so once it's completed the installation, it will say here completed. Then you can go next and next. I guess I don't need a tutorial, so we finish it. So this completes the installation of Anaconda. How do you know Anaconda has been installed? Well, if you go here on your start, Windows Start, and then here you can see Anaconda 3. If you left click here, the green circle is usually the one that you use, Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda is like a broker of many softwares. So one of them will happen to be the Python translation program. And some call it compiler, technically it's an interpreter, but here we go. So here's the Anaconda Navigator, and it shows what kind of program you can run. By default in the base installation, the Jupyter notebook, which is one of the way to run Python program. Another one is Spider, are already installed. If you click the launch button, it will start it, okay? For example, here, the Jupyter notebook, you can click just launch. And for the first time you run it, it will take a little bit longer, but you can see here. And then if you want to open up a new, you can create a new file. And here you can do it 1+1. So, and then if you just run it, if you run it, a equal to a. So you can see it will do it. And if you actually save it, you can save it. And you can save it in a different name where we want to be. But see, my first. And then what you can see here is that my first program, and the extension automatically is IPYNB is being here recorded, okay? So this is what Anaconda Navigator can do. The Anaconda in the root directory, some of the things that you may notice is that here, other than the home directory, so right now I haven't installed anything, so it's just the root environment. And for that environment, what kind of packages are being installed? You can see here, click environment, and then you can see here many of the things are done here. And you can see here the program we just used, which was Jupyter, isn't it? So once you get familiar, you want to see sometimes what packages you have and what you need to install more. This makes it easier. See here, it's the Jupyter is here installed, isn't it? So this is a way to check it. Another way to run Anaconda, actually the people use it, is the Anaconda Powershell prompt here, and we'll use it in the future when installing separate packages. So here you can type special commands. It's typically a Linux command that you need to type. So when we say this in the command prompt, do type something, this means basically to invoke this Anaconda PowerShell prompt, and then you type commands here for installation and other purposes. So this completes the installation of Anaconda. Thank you.